Consumer-centric IoT start always with consumer attention. Technologies are enablers. Relevancy, intuitiveness, and seamless integration are key.
Think about security from the beginning, because you can you lose this trust just once, and if you lose it in the beginning, also you have a problem. Whenever we want to do things with an impact, we need focus. If we don't focus, we basically get nothing done. So when we want to do everything at the same time, we hardly get anything done.
And I would like to ask you to maybe go back to your company after this conference and ask maybe your supervisor, hey boss, when have you prioritized your backlog the last time, before you push all the work on me? Thank you.